Okay, I just got this columns deal from AppSumo. Let's unbox it and see what all the hype is about. First impression. Clean branding, straightforward interface. Columns promises to turn data into visual stories automatically. I'm a marketer, so data visualization is my daily grind. Let's dive in and upload some sample data. The dashboard feels intuitive, no overwhelming menus. I drag and drop my spreadsheet. It's super quick. Columns instantly generates beautiful charts and infographics. Wow, I didn't even touch a single design tool. The visuals are clean, modern, and totally customizable. I can tweak colors, fonts, and layout with a click. Let's try another dataset, maybe something more complex. Again, Columns analyzes and builds a story in seconds. No coding, no design skills needed, just pure automation. I'm honestly surprised by how much time this saves. Usually, I'd spend hours making these graphics manually. Columns does it in under a minute. Seriously, the storytelling templates are a game changer for presentations. You can export visuals for social, reports, or slides. Everything looks polished and ready to share. Business analysts will love the instant insights. Content creators, imagine spicing up your posts effortlessly. Marketers, this means less time designing, more time strategizing. I'm testing the automation settings now. Columns can even update visuals as your data changes. That's perfect for live dashboards or recurring reports. The platform supports various data sources: Excel, Google Sheets. It even integrates with cloud storage for easy access. I appreciate the privacy controls for sensitive data. Let's check out the pricing on AppSumo. Honestly, this is a steal compared to hiring designers. Plus, you get lifetime access with this deal. I wish I had this tool years ago. If you handle data, you need Columns in your toolkit. It's not just a chart maker. It tells a visual story. The learning curve? Pretty much zero. If you're not a designer, this is a lifesaver. For advanced users, there's room to customize deeply. I'm giving Columns a solid thumbs up. Grab the Columns deal on AppSumo before it's gone. Level up your data game and impress your audience today.